This recipe is for enriched products. We're going to use a Zest concentrate mix with this recipe. Within this Zest concentrate mix, there will be a number of different ingredients such as sugars, dried egg, dried fats and milk powders. You'll also include improvers. You'll follow the same mixing methods as you would for the full scratch mix, like tin breads, bloomers, battens and rolls. Scale the dough straight away after mixing, ball the dough up and place it back in a board and rest for 5 to 10 minutes. It's then time to pin out your dough. Dust over your table with some flour. You can even draw a small template to the size that you wish to pin your dough out to. Pin your dough back and forth. You can also pin your dough from side to side. You can turn your dough around as well and pin back and forth and side to side again. You can also use your rolling pin to square off your dough. As soon as you've pinned out the dough to the required size, it's then time to place the lemon curd over the top of the dough. Use a palette knife to spread your lemon curd over evenly. Once you've finished spreading your lemon curd over the dough, it's then time to add your sultanas. Sprinkle them over the top evenly. Then time to roll up your dough. Start at the top left hand corner, fold over the dough, working your way to the right hand side, then come back on yourself to the left hand side and then work your way back to the right hand side. Try tucking in your dough underneath as well to tighten that dough up. This should help with it not opening up during bake. Give it a quick roll to tighten up the seams on the dough. And then it's time to cut your dough. It says cut the dough between 2.5 to 3 centimetres. You can use a large serrated edge knife. This is a good template to use for the size that you want them. don't want these buns to batch together. Therefore, space them out onto the tray, 3 across and up to 6 down. Then place the buns into the prover at the required temperature and humidity. Enriched bun recipes will normally have a lower baking temperature compared to products like tins and bloomers and rolls. After baking your Belgian buns, you can finish them with fondant over the top and a cherry. You can do this with a palette knife, or you can pipe streaks over the top.